everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite things on the planet. Another awesome brown gal hack, which is this gorgeous Desi chai colored lipstick. As a base, I'm going to start with NYX Lingerie in number 8. This is quite a thick product, so you may want to apply it either with a lip brush or with your finger if you can. For warmer skin tones, you can start with a darker brown. But you just want a color that when you put it on your skin, it looks like tea. The next color I'm going to take is Inglot's matte lipstick in 411, which is this deep pink. So crush a bit of that here. You don't need a lot of this. You can see that this is bringing the pinkiness to the chai. The next color I use is one of my favorites, which is Inglot 415, and it's so, isn't that pretty? It's such a gorgeous color. If we could only wear this on its own, I think maybe Iman could get away with it, but even she, I think, would struggle with something that bright. Let's say this is the fresh doodh in the chai. To this, I'm going to add Maybelline Loyalist, which is one of my favorites. Just a tiny hint. This really brings the doodh patti in. It's very, very thick, so you want to use just a little bit. If you're warmer skinned, you can keep it just towards the center. For me, I have to keep it towards the center. Now I'm going to show you a star product. This is Inglot Lip Gloss Lip Paint. Now, I don't know which side is the lip gloss. It's in number 18. This is the best Desi chai color I have ever found in my life. And here is that color. Oof! It's like pure tea. So you don't need too much of it either. It's very rich. Oh, yes. Now it's totally your call. If you want it less glossy, put a tiny bit of this. If you want it more glossy, put lots of it. I was just feeling Iman's glossy lips because she's got gleaming skin and just a simple liner. It just felt very 90s to me. Oof! I always enjoy sharing with you the key things that I've done in my career that stand out. And for me, I think this nudie Desi lip is one of those. Thank you so much for joining us.